Well, today we are going to learn a new topic. Topic 8. What is the learning objective today? What is the name of the topic? What is the title of the topic? That is in the city. Okay, just look at the picture. What idea you get from the picture? That today we have to talk about different cities. We have to talk about a city. So what is the aim of this lesson? What is the aim of this topic 8? By the end of this topic, you'll be able to review some vocabulary covered in previous weeks. Okay. Present your own travel guide to a partner through speaking. Discuss positives and negatives of a city and consider how they could be changed. So, Mubashir, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Okay, could you please read this sentence for me? Present your own travel guide.
Please present your own travel guide to partner through speaking.
Yeah, what does it mean?
So it means you have to guide the traveler with speaking.
Okay, we are gonna get different kind of activities for speaking. Okay, where we have to present, okay, a travel guide to a partner. We are gonna have an activity with a partner, and what we're gonna do, we have to present a travel guide. Okay, so Shahid, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Shahid?
Yes, I am. I can hear you.
Okay, could you please read that sentence for me?
Discuss positives and negatives of a city and consider how they could be changed.
Okay, and what do you understand by this sentence? What does it say?
It's about the city, their negative and positive aspects we have to discuss.
Exactly, we have to discuss the different aspects like positives and negatives. And then we have to look for some solutions for the negatives, right?
Yes.
Okay. Asif, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what does that sentence say to you? What do you understand with that sentence? Review some vocabulary.
Yes, sir. This sentence tell us review some vocabulary covered in previous weeks. Means what we have done in previous work and week.
Perfect. Okay, you've completely got the aim. So let's go and do task 1. Task 1 is about vocabulary. What is it about, Shahid? Could you please say that word for me?
Vocabulary.
Perfect. Mubashir, would you like to give it a try?
Vocabulary.
Okay, that's great. Let's go ahead and see what this activity about. It is about vocabulary. And what do we have to do here? We have to add an extra word, okay? We have to add an extra word to each group. What is an extra word, Asif?
Extra word.
Yeah, what is an extra word? What do you understand about that? Huh?
Blue, red, green, orange. Example. For example.
Yes, for example, we have got a few words like blue, red, green. So we have to add an extra word like orange. And that's how we have to practice this vocabulary activity in the practice book. For example, add an extra word to each group. So what do we have to do? We have to add an extra word. Okay, doctor, teacher, lawyer, and then I can add accountant, artist, businessman. Okay, I can add anything there. Okay, relevant, okay, relevant to the same category. Okay, it should be a job. Okay, good. So that's how you have to go and add an extra word relevant to the already given words, like
Yes.
like Spanish, English, Australian, Pakistani,
Arabic,
Pakistani.
Chinese.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's great. So you've got only 2 minutes to do this activity. Complete it and submit it. Come on. In fact,
Sir,
let's
my
do
app
it
is not
together.
working.
What?
Sir, my app is not working.
What does it say?
I
I
think
think the issue is that you have to update
app
with
needs
new version.
update.
Okay, you have to update it or what?
Sir, he is asking for update.
Okay, I got it. So you can update it of the class. Okay, now let's complete this activity. So, Shahid, bus, car, plane. What extra word would you like to put there?
Bike,
That's good. Okay, bank, post office, airport, Mubashir. What extra would you like to put there? Come on, tell me.
Sir, please give me 1 minute. I am changing my net.
Okay, fine. Asif,
Yes, sir.
what extra word would you like to put there after
Bank,
airport?
post office, airport, school,
Okay,
college.
good job. Okay. Rani, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you have to add an extra word, okay, to this category. Mother, father, aunt, and
Uncle.
uncle. Good job. Okay, so in the 6th category, we'd like to ask Mubashir. China, Angola, Colombia. What else? What word would you like to put there?
Pakistan, India.
Pakistan, India. Okay, good job. Perfect. So now you have completed this task. Please click on submission and submit this activity.